Let me show you how to grill a peanut butter and jelly sandwich so it becomes the most irresistible sandwich you've ever had. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share lots of lunch ideas that you can make real quick. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can make a couple a few times a week. This one today is one of my favorite ways to eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm starting out with some fresh bread, which I'm going to just make a simple peanut butter and jelly sandwich. There are some tips that make it better during grilling. So I'm just gonna take my peanut butter and spread it on one side of the bread. The jelly I'm gonna put on the other bread slice. The reason you don't want to put peanut butter on both sides of the bread when you grill your sandwich is because the jelly otherwise will ooze out on the sides because it has no bread to hold on to. So be as generous as you want with your peanut butter on one slice of bread and the jelly on the other. And by the way, if you like tips like that one on my videos, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up so I know to keep adding them in my channel. Now let's close the peanut butter and jelly, and now we have a sandwich. Now I'm going to take some cooking spray and spray both sides of my sandwich. You could also butter it, whatever is your favorite way of doing it. And you want to spray your sandwich before you place it on the hot pan so your spray doesn't burn. And then it turns dark and the sandwich doesn't look the same. So let's place our peanut butter and jelly sandwich on a hot pan, and I'm gonna cover it with a lid. You just want to grill it until that first side is nice and golden, and once you do that, you're just simply going to flip it over and put the lid back on. And since you sprayed both sides of the sandwich before grilling it, it's ready to go. And once that's ready, you're going to remove it from the pan onto your cutting board, and let's check it out. It's melty, gooey, all the peanut butter in there is so good. By the way, you can also air fry your PB&J just like I do with my Uncrustables. I'll leave you a link on how I do that below this video. See you next time.